He was only 12 when the Nazis came. What he did, shocking even the ruthless SS. Julian Kulski, son of Warsaw's mayor, too young to fight, but not too young to resist. At 12, he joined the underground, delivered messages, sabotaged supplies. Germany never suspected. By 14, he carried explosives, trained with the Home Army. At 15, he fought in Warsaw Uprising. One night captured, a German said, "You're just a boy. Why die? Julian, this is MI City." Beaten and tortured, he never gave a name. Julian survived war's horrors, thousands did not. Julian survived, moved to America, wrote his story so the world remembers Polish youth courage. One boy, one war, a heart bigger than fear. Follow for more untold stories like his.